In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete Robinhood account. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Before you start the deletion process, you need to make sure your account is fully cleared out. That means closing all of your open positions, including any stocks, crypto, or options you currently hold. Sell everything so there are no active investments left in your account. After that, withdraw any remaining cash balance so your account shows a $0 balance. Once your account is fully settled, open the Robinhood app on your phone and log in. Tap on the account icon in the bottom corner of the screen to access your account page. From there, tap on the menu icon, usually shown as 3 lines, to open more options. Go into Settings and scroll down until you find the option that says Deactivate Account. Tap on Deactivate Account, and the app will guide you through the final steps. If there are any remaining positions or funds, it will prompt you to resolve them before continuing. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and confirm that you want to deactivate your account. You want to step out the chat and send more, as you want to. After you confirm the deactivation, your Robinhood account will be permanently closed. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.